Get a renter's insurance quote. Many renters assume that they do not need to purchase renter's insurance. Though you do not own the home or apartment in which you live, renter's insurance is important for a number of reasons. Typically, renter's insurance will provide coverage for your personal property as well as liability coverage to protect you if you cause either bodily injury or property damage to another party. The first step in obtaining renter's insurance is to get a quote. Before contacting an insurance company for a quote, you should be ready with the following information. Your vitals. This includes your name, phone number, the property address, who lives there, how long they have lived there, prior addresses and employment history. This information helps the insurance carrier begin to assess risk. Any insurance claim history you may have. If you have had prior claims under a renter's or homeowner's policy, you will be asked to provide details. They may ask for the date, type of loss and extent of damages. Limit of insurance you wish to obtain. This is a tough one to calculate. When obtaining your quote, discuss with the insurance professional how much insurance she thinks you will need. Before moving on to that step, you should do an assessment on what you think it would cost to replace all of the property in your home if, in a worst-case scenario, the home were to burn to the ground. Any special items that you wish to make sure are fully covered. Insurance policies have written in limits for some high-price articles, such as jewelry and some collectibles. If you own high-value jewelry or collectibles, discuss those items separately with the insurance company when you call for a quote. Now that you have gathered the necessary information, there are a number of ways in which you can get your actual quote. Contact a local agent. This is the traditional manner in which you would obtain a quote. Look in your local yellow pages or talk to friends to find a local insurance agent. Contact the agent and let his know that you are seeking a new renter's insurance quote. He will provide you with a quote free of charge. Call the insurance carrier by phone. Many insurance carriers also offer quotes if you contact them directly. If you call the carrier and provide the requested information, a quote will be provided free of charge. Apply for renter's insurance online. Most major insurance carriers are now offering quotes directly through the Internet. Navigate your browser to the website of a major insurance carrier and find a link for Request a Quote. You will either receive a quote immediately or within a couple of business days. Some carriers will simply pass your information on to a local agent who will contact you with your quote. Remember, not all policies are the same. Ask as many questions as you have regarding the specific perils that are covered and the limits that are being provided by the policy. You have now received enough information to make an informed decision on which quote you should take. Quick tips: review all policies for limits and coverages before accepting a quote. Useful links: State Farm Insurance, Nationwide Insurance.